Okay, here we are, and today we're going to talk about how you can learn accounting with Mondosol, EDX, our preferred partner for education, as well as Wave, our accounting software, and Drive, Google Drive. So, it's Elio coming to you live on this webinar, ETW, Empower Tour Worldwide. So, we are doing this webinar online just for you. You need to basically know that this is coming out of a pool on LinkedIn in the event ETW webinar on LinkedIn. And we ask you, what did you want to learn? And so we decided to give you a pool of options, but you can always indicate another option, what you want to learn, because based on what you say, we will create new content fresh for you, done to answer your question, what you need to learn right now. I understand the time is tough. You know, a lot of us are looking for new ways to make money to survive in this time. Okay, so because of that, you need to, you know, throw me a little bones, like join the conversation. And one thing to help me, how to help you, will be to, you know, communicate with me and let me know who you are, where you're from, and what you're looking for, what you want to learn, what do you need in this time for you to survive or to strive. If you are having a good time, yesterday I was walking around and I was actually looking for the owner of a Maserati Levante. And, you know, if you are in that situation, that's even better. So you can take advantage of what the Chinese call Christ. Okay, the meaning of Christ in Chinese is not just a threat, but it's also an opportunity. So like we always talk, you know, the yin and yang, the two sides of the coins, or three sides according to someone, but you get it. So you can look at this situation as something that it's going to stop you or something that is going to push you, even though you have nothing to push, right? You don't have the energy and the motivation. But today we're going to talk about accounting because I think it's one of the most important skills that you can have. And, you know, I'm actually very, very involved on learning accounting, even though I'm not so, I used to not be so good in mathematics, and I'm so struggling a little bit more to learn about accounting and mathematics, but that's definitely, you know, a good skill to learn nowadays. And you can make good money working as a remote accounting, as we are looking, for example, in Mondosol right now. We have actually ex-Mondosolians joining us. Kemi, hi, she's working on our books right now as we speak. So today you can see how you can acquire a new skill if you don't have it, or you can improve that skill, which is accounting. And accounting means you count, you learn how to count, right? And I mean, I want to talk simple because, you know, my daughter, 5 years old, she's listening. She's so excited that she has to prepare a cake for daddy. I'm having birthday this week, coming on the 1st of October. I want to talk simple, even for the one of you who knows everything already, and I hope it's not you listening. You know, I'm happy you're listening right now on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And since you're here, you know, you're maybe a friend of mine. If not, you can ask me to be a friend on Facebook. Or if you're coming from the page on Facebook, you know, there is the page that you can see, you can search on Facebook, which is Mondosol. You can also find us on Twitter, and you can find us on Instagram, okay, as well as on YouTube. The YouTube channel is the Mondosol, and if you are there or not, please, on all those social networks, you know, join the family. So if you are on Facebook, you know, smash the like button. If you are on YouTube as well, and consider subscribing and hit the bell notification. With all that being said, it's important because if you like, share, and comment, more people will also join and benefit from this content. And I think from my small perspective, what I'm trying to do here is to share my knowledge and experience with as many people as possible. But that will not be possible without your help. You know, I can reach so many people, but with your help, we can reach more people, and more people can benefit from the light of knowledge, okay? And that's what we are doing right here, right now, on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. We are trying to reach as many people as we can to show them that there is a way out of this tunnel, this moment of life, which is very dark. Many people are scared. They don't know what the future holds, you know, what they should do. And right now, you can learn accounting, for example. That's a way to make money, you know. as an accountant, you can, depending on where you are in the world and what you know, you can earn anything from, I don't know, $5 or less, depending, like I said, where you are in the world. If you are in Bangladesh, or if you are in some countries in Africa, might be less. But if you are in developing countries, might be more. And a good accountant can even make 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 or $200 an hour. So it's definitely a good profession depending on your experience and knowledge. But it's even just for yourself, it's good that you learn accounting, because if you don't know how to count your money, let's say, you have some money, okay? Let's just make an example with this. This is poker money, fake money, okay? And this is about 960 euros, okay? So if you make salary, okay, 960 euros, and you need to, count the money. You need to count the money, okay? How do you count the money? How do you know how much money you made and how much money you spend? Because you might spend money for, 10 euros to go out and eat pizza. Then you can spend a good chunk of that for your rent, maybe 30 to 50%. Then you can spend, 5 to 10% for bills, or 20%. And out of 960 euros I'm talking about, let's say you live in a country in Europe. And I don't know, I pick as an example Italy because it's my home countries. And anyway, ciao a tutti. Se non capisci l'inglese, impara l'inglese con me. Learn with me, learn with Mondemi. Okay, so today I'm showing you about accounting and how you can use EDX, that is our preferred partner for education. You can use Mondemi, which is our academy online, and you can use software like Wave Accounting, which is free. And also you can use Google Drive, which is also free. And I'm going to show you what we do, okay? I'm not going to reveal everything because it's confidential information, but I can show you real quick what you can do with Wave, what you can do with Google Drive, so you understand our system, my system in Mondosol and personal, and you can maybe use it for yourself, okay? But you need to learn how to count the money you make and the money you spend. It's very, very important, that skill. And so once you learn accounting, it can be good for your own finance, but also you can do it as a job, as a new career for you, or to improve your career if you already are an accountant. So let's go and look at EDX, because, I think EDX is a very, very good partner. That's why we decided to partner with them, and that's why I put my glasses. So once again, I just want to remind everyone, you can now watch this live streaming on mondosol.com/ETW on one of the social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. By the way, comment, do you like my glasses? Do you like me with glasses? You like me better without glasses? Also, join us to make some money on our affiliate program, mondosol.leaddyno.com. Okay, you can also find it on mondosol.com. If you scroll down the website, you will see there is sell courses and sell products. Right now, it's two different programs, but we are trying to join two programs so you can sell products on our shop.mondosol.com, which we're going to give you for free, okay? Because you listen today, I'm just telling you right now, go to shop.mondosol.com and register now to get $10. Yes, you hear it right. Because you're listening, now you basically get $10 you can spend in our shop.mondosol.com. You just register and you get $10, and you can shop anything for $10, including shipping. You don't have to pay anything. That's on me. It's on the house. So go as well to our affiliate program and start to make the big money. I show you the 10 euros or the 20 euros, but I think you can do the 50 euros when you sell with Mondosol. Courses, for example, you can make the 100 euros, okay? You can make very good money, or if you are very, very good, you can make the rainbow money. My daughter, she did this, 2,000 euros. Yes, you heard it right. If you become an affiliate, a good affiliate, and you start to sell very good, you can make, 50, a 20, or a 10. Now this is a reverse side, 10, 20, or a 50. With the shop and with the courses, it's even more. Okay, let's look at EDX. So right now, you're looking at this presentation from EDX. I'm going to go real quick because, I want to keep this short. Yesterday, I ramble on for more than 40 minutes, but I want to keep this short. My wife, it was looking for me. So EDX is our partner in Mondosol, and I'm going to show you this. If you go to mondosol.com, was the career page. By the way, we are hiring, so go to career as well. So if you look, we are decided to partner with those companies. EDX, I'm going to show you in a moment. LinkedIn, I think I talked about it yesterday, the day before, and then Moodle, which is our e-learning platform, learning management system solution, which is this. I'm going to show you in a moment. But let's go to EDX. This is our partner. We decided to partner with EDX. I was just talking with Steven the other day, and we are writing to each other by email. So I'm really looking forward to work with EDX, and I'm going to present to you what it presents to me as a great opportunity for you to learn, for example, accounting. Okay, and I'm going to show you that in EDX you can learn. You have several things that you can learn about accounting. You have courses and program. Courses are like single modules that you can take, and then you can have a test, a certification, and then you can take a whole program like a mini master or a master or a mini course. Right? So, and that's university-wise. So you can see it's been created by the MIT, the very famous MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and Harvard. So both of them in Boston, as well as EDX is actually inside, I think, if I remember, inside of Harvard. And, it's like one of the best organization, non-profit, even better, that you can find to learn from, top university in the world. And with that being said, you need to know that it's not just Harvard and MIT, but you have the top university in the world, and actually the top 24 out of 25. Okay, so very, very prestigious, as well with company very, very big. So you learn from the top university and top company in the whole world, which is already there. It's a great assurance that you, together with 24 million people, can learn 2,800 plus courses. Stephen told me now it's 3,000. They keep adding new courses. Like I said, you have partners from top university and companies, and they have 82 people, actually 82 million course enrollments. That means people, the 24 million learners are enrolling, are studying from 82 million courses, and the average age is 26. So young people maybe looking to go to college, they are going to college, they are not going to college, but they want an education from the top prestigious university and company. So you can reskill, upskill, you can retain, you can recruit, you can use it, for sales, for support, for admin, for discovering, transformation learning for your organization. You can have verified certificate. You can see it from Harvard, from a certified teachers. So all these also can be used to go to university, because it's from university that they give you credits that you can use to speed up your bachelor or master degree. So you start to study here, you start to accumulate points, credits, and then you can continue in university. So here you can see how it looks like a course. You can speed up, slow down the speed of the voice from the teacher, from these prestigious teachers in the top university in the world or top companies. And you have very short models, like a minute, 2, 3, 4 minutes, so you don't lose the focus, the concentration. And then you can move from one models to another, and you can complete your course or program. You can see here how it looks like. You also have a role play, so it's very interactive. It's like from from zero to hero, and this will really help you to learn, for example, about accounting. But there are many courses that you can study, and like you see, you can take a micro bachelor's, a professional certificate, micro master, and also a master degree. So very, very good. The people that are using this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And you saw Stephen probably there, and I'm gonna show you now this. The accounting that we are talking about today. It's actually 17 results in EDX between courses and programs. And like I said, you basically don't need to worry about EDX right now because we are partnering with them. So what you need to do instead is to go over to mondosol.com/courses, and then you need to choose the college plan. Okay, we have 3 plans: academy, business, and college. You're going to choose the college plan, and inside the college plan you basically will have access to sorry, this is wrong, 2,800 plus courses from EDX, world-class content from world-class leaders, supplier, vendors. I don't know how to call them. The top 24 out of 25 universities in the whole world are there, as well as other from different parts of the world. And you have the top companies like Amazon. You have Linux. I don't remember all the companies. I think we saw it in the slide before. You have top companies like GM, BMW, you have Hilton, all those companies in the world. But the courses that you can take from them are also from Amazon and all those big companies. Okay, so with that being said, I just want to talk about it, this college package, because it will give you access to all the courses in EDX, and you will have also, access to Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. You will have access for 1 year, and you can access the content from your mobile, from your computer, from your TV, and you will have certificates from both EDX, which is, certificates from top university or a company in the whole world. And another thing you will get, it's 101 or 1-on-10 support, mentorship. Okay, EDX already offer you with some tools, like you can do Q&A, there are forums, so you have some sorts of interaction, but Mondosol will provide you with 101 or 1-on-10 dedicated mentorship. Okay, so you can really speed up, you can go through the process, and you can take all the models, you can stay motivated and accountable. And then the best of all, okay, you have several advantages. So one of that, you can pay in installment. You don't need to pay the full amount. You can cancel anytime, okay? And also, if you become good in taking courses, and when I say becoming good in taking courses, I don't just mean, going through the modules. Even though your mentor will push you, you might lose the motivation, drop out, and then you will not acquire any skills whatsoever for your advantage. But what I mean is that you become good as a learner, becoming a teacher, transitioning from student to teacher. The student become the master, they say. What I mean is that you start to take the course and then you implement it into our academy, Mondosol Academy, the Mondemi. So you create your own course. And right now, we have several courses inside our platform that you can see, like from a student point of view. I'm looking, at how you will look. And there are, the 3 packages I mentioned: Speedwell, before it was hospitality, personal finances, Moodle, how to become a trainer. Okay, all those courses available. Now, what you will do basically by becoming a teacher. So first you are a student, you learn, you take the course, the program from EDX or LinkedIn or whatever, and then you implement this course, you take your notes, you make your own video, you make your own course, you put it into the Mondemi, and you start to teach other people, maybe your peers, the people taking with you the course, or your family, your friends, whoever you want, and you master the content, and you have the skills and passion to transfer the knowledge to other one. You remember I said each one teach one. Well, then, like I said, the student become the master, and now you can become a Mondosol mentor. So you can get paid by the hours, by the content. You can really make the money even before you go out in the world getting a job as an accountant. Okay, so right now I'm gonna wrap up. 20 minutes, ramble on. I showed you about EDX. I showed you about the courses of accounting. I showed you about Mondemi. I told you can basically join Mondemi with a very simple and easy payment. The first one will be 417. Then after that will be 317 euros per month. You can see as well the payment when they are due, okay? And you can pay with Stripe or PayPal. So also you can stop anytime. If you're not happy, we give you a refund, okay? We want you to be happy with that. But with that being said, what you get is the access to our e-learning platform, Moodle, and Mondemi, and then EDX, 3,000 plus courses, and you also get a mentor from 3 to 30 hours per month. 3 hours on 101 or 30 hours on 110, depending on how many people enroll in the course, okay? The more people, but maximum 10 people per class can join this course. We will have different classes if we have many students, but the point is that you will never join a class like in a college with 100 people, 1,000 people, and then you will just sit on top of the auditorium, listen nothing, play crosswords, and get very little out of that. Instead, it's going to be a virtual classroom on Google Meet, Skype, Messenger, or all these other tools used to do video conferences, okay? And you will have the teacher for yourself or to share with maximum 9 other on top of you. So 1-on-1 or 1-on-10. And you can have 3 hours per month from 30 hours, okay? So with that being said, this is a great possibility. You can join right now and you will not regret it. And like I said, if you're not happy, you go and look somewhere else, and that's okay. We just want you to stay if you're happy with us. Otherwise, that's okay. We are here to serve a purpose. We are here to help people improve themselves, okay? So we don't actually want to keep your money if those money are not providing value to you. If you're not improving, if we are not, stating the mission of Mondosol will be to improve yourself. And so we are working for that, to create content, to gather the most important voices. And also, we have the cool side, which is traveling, which we hope you can do or you will do in the next future, because right now the situation is that you're home, but you can still travel in cool places, maybe just by watching movies. That's what we encourage everyone to do it. And then we have also, products that you can buy for you to get inspiration about your next travel. So with that being said, let's move on into a concrete example of how we are using, how we do accounting. So we are learning, for example, how to use Wave. And here you can see there is a profit and loss. And in Wave, you can do a lot of things, And then we also have Google Drive. And in Google Drive, you see we have created a folder. This is very clever so that you can share with, let's say, other people. It can be your teammates, it can be your accountant, it can be the company owner you're doing accounting for. You can share basically Google folder as well as, okay, when I say Google, the phone activate, but you can share a folder, you can share a subfolder, a file, and that is very handy because of today, the lockdown, the pandemic, the hysteria, and so you cannot travel. Maybe you cannot go to the accountant office or they cannot come to your office. So instead, you will use Google Drive to work remote, to share documents with others, and then you can give different permission. In documents, you can give them, editing permission so they can work on the document as well as they can give it to you. So I'm showing you this from our perspective, as we are a company, Mondosol, and we are doing accounting, and we need to share this with an accountant or with several accountant auditors. And so that's what we use. We use Google Drive. We are Google partner. We are certified as a Google education. And so we have those tools. You can have it too. And then you can start to use it. And then, like I said, you can use Wave accounting. You can see here, you can do different things, sales, you can do purchases, accounting, payrolls, and blah, blah, blah. So, I'm not going to go deep into any of this. Plus, this is personal. So I will not show you everything, but you get the point. So use Google Drive, use Wave. If you go to waveapps.com, so you can get an account for free right now. So you don't need to spend any money on Wave. You can use QuickBooks and spend, several $100s or 100, I don't remember. You can go to Xero, you can go to SAP, you can go to many accounting software, or you can use Wave for free, always free, It's always been free. It's from Canada. I really like. And they have some products which you need to pay if you're in Canada and US, like Wave Payments and Wave Payroll. So if you want to, for example, collect money with an invoice, you can see here more information. They have a support line. The products are accounting, which is you track your income and expenses for free. Invoicing, so like I said, you can ask people to send you money. They also have payments, so you can accept credit cards online with Stripe. So you can send an invoice and you can say, pay me with the money transfer, or you can say, pay me with the credit card. And then through Stripe, you can collect the payment of that invoice. And they also have Receipt, which is an app for Android and for, Android and Apple. Yes, Apple, one of the best stock you can buy for dividends. That's what I learned today. And the Receipt app is actually not on the Play Store or Apple Store, but it's on this, I don't remember how to say it, but it's like you will have maybe some problem to find. So probably you should go through Wave or Google it, how you can get this, this app on your phone so you can scan the receipts very easily. You put your phone with the app, so it works on your camera. You scan the receipt, and then there is a OCR, I think it's called, process where the images become text. So the app understands what's written in the receipt, and maybe recognize already who is the vendor. I mean, from who you bought, from who you got that receipt. Let's say it's a supermarket or it's a restaurant, okay? So the app will understand something, or you will help the app by editing the receipt. You will basically say, okay, the category for this is food or grocery or office, and this is vendor name McDonald's or whatever you want to call it, okay? And then you will maybe change the currency, you will change the subtotal, the total. And so this information, once it's processed, once the receipt is completed, and you can enter it into your Wave accounting for your personal as well as for your business. Look at this. You can use this for personal reason as well as for business, and for more than one business, your business or someone else's business. So Wave is free, Wave is great. You can see you have it for iOS and Android. You can download it, you scan here. So it's actually easier you do this because it's an APK app. It's not on the Google Store. It's actually on the App Store, but it's not on the Google Store. So with that being said, you can scan receipts even when you're offline. You can have it from your inbox. So if you get it on email, it's cool. I've been using this even for my personal accounting as well as my business accounting. Like I said, you can look more into waveapps.com and you can get an account right now for free, and you can start to play around. Actually, all the people we are recruiting for accounting, we ask them to open a Wave account for free to test it out. If you're looking for a job right now, you can basically go to mondosol.com and you can see we have a section about how you can get to know us. So you can learn about Mondosol. You can also learn how to advertise in Mondosol. But most of all, like I said, we are hiring, so we're looking for you. And if you want a job as an accountant, you can look into mondosol.com/career. And then inside career, you will find positions available. You scroll down, you see the mission is to improve. When you join Mondosol, you want to improve yourself as well as others. And now we are hiring, like I said, different full-time, part-time jobs that it's so cool you can do from home. You don't need to come anywhere. All over the world, you can do this job. I have people applying from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, you name it, all over the world. And they're asking me, can I do it? Yes, you can, wherever you are, as long as you speak English, you have a good internet connection, a laptop. So with that being said, go over to mondosol.com/career, click Discover Role, and you can see that we are using a software called Smart Recruiters to hire. And careers.smartrecruiters.com/Mondosol is actually our career website. And you can see the job available right now, it's 10. So we're looking for web developers. We put the job in specific location because we have to, but they are all remote, okay? So don't get me wrong. Yes, Slovakia is the best country to hire web developer, but it doesn't mean you have to be from Slovakia, okay? So you can be a web developer from all around the world, and we're looking for you because we need to build up the new mondosol.org. So also we are looking for a mentor, like I said. So if you are good as a student and as a teacher, then you can become a Mondosol mentor. And again, here, don't get confused. We are looking for mentor in different continents, all the continents, South America, North America, Asia, Europe, Australia. And then, like I said, we're looking for accountant. So if you learn about accounting, if you want to learn more about accounting, you get your certification as a CPA, Certified Professional Accountant. If you have experience, you can study with us. You can then work with us, as well as sales team. You see, we have these two positions in Norway, but they are remote. So you can do it anywhere in the world, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to switch off. I'm going to say bye-bye. I'm finished today. Thank you very much for listening. I really appreciate that you basically are part of this. You go to mondosol.com/etdaudi tomorrow to listen again to our Empowered Tour Worldwide webinar. Okay, we are live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, so we can join as many people as we can. And if you're a friend with me on Facebook, that's great. Otherwise, you can search for Facebook on Twitter, so you can watch on Periscope as well as Facebook, then on Instagram and on YouTube. On YouTube, it's the Mondosol, the channel, okay? You can also subscribe to our newsletter, so you will get sometime an email notification that says we are live. But like I said, if you go to YouTube, you subscribe to our Mondosol channel, and then you click the notification bell, then you get a notification. And if you smash the like button, then other people, as well as, the algorithm, they call it. So basically, if you like it, Google like it. And then if Google like it, then a lot of other people will like it. And that means that this content will go, they say viral, but let's just say each one teach one. So now I teach to one person. And if you like the content, if you share it, if you comment, if you basically engaging with the content, then you can also teach other, even just by doing this. You don't need to repeat what I said. You can just share this video with others, and so that others can learn from these very, very good opportunities that right now you have. You don't need to do anything rather than just watch this and maybe several times, so that you ingrain and you get the opportunity here. You can become an accountant, as well as if you're looking for money, you can go to mondosol.leaddino.com and become an affiliate or ambassador of the company, and you can start to promote the product that we have in the shop.mondosol.com, as well as the courses that we have in mondosol.com/shop-courses. Okay, everything, it's easy accessible on mondosol.com. The affiliate program as well in the footer, they call it. The foot. What is my foot? It's here. The footer of the website. So if you go to mondosol.com, you can see this is the pleasure of doing work from home. I can basically dress like when I was a teenager and I was playing soccer. So I still have my soccer pants and I have my beautiful shirt, and I can have my, how do they call it? Not the shoes, but you understand, the sleepers to stay home. So I can be comfortable, but as well, I can be focused and I can enjoy my family. So it's not all bad, the lockdown and this work from home. It's also an advantage, and definitely you can take it as an advantage for yourself to learn. Now it's a good time. You have plenty of time to learn. You can learn for free from me. You can learn from Mondemi with a very accessible price. You actually have 3 packages, like I mentioned. Academy, which is completely brand new, actually from yesterday. And then we have business and college. So go over to mondosol.com, choose your course, and see you tomorrow.